Hey there, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add page number in Google Docs. Let's begin. So let's say that you want to add in some page numbers to, let's say, the second page, starting from the second page. Then you are going to select the second page from the beginning, and then you are going to go to the top here and select Insert. After selecting Insert, go to the bottom and then select Page Numbers. From here, there's going to be different formats in which you can enter in the page numbers, but I want mine to be in the top right of the page, so I'm going to select the first one. And as you can see there, it's going to add in the page number. Afterwards, you're simply going to go to the right side here and then select Options with the drop-down option, and then go to Page Numbers. Now where it says Show on First Page, you are going to disable that, and make sure that it says Start at 1. Then select Apply. Then all you need to simply do is you just need to format the page numbers, because since this is the first page, but we don't want this to be the first page, you're going to go back to the number, and then you're going to change it from 2 to 1. And then the second page, you're going to change it from 1 to 2. And there you go. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free, and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.